aspect when it comes to Shedeur Brown getting drafted, a lot of people are speculating that they did this because of the aspect of the viewership, because they knew if he was a first round pick, that would have been in. Nobody would have watched the NFL draft. Now him getting picked last, and I that had that anticipation to the point that you had even President Trump tweeted about what was going on when it came to aspect of the NFL draft. It had a lot of people tune in, which made this the first ever in a very long time NFL draft in history. So therefore, him being drafted to the Cleveland Browns doesn't look good for him because you know why? He never gonna play. Think about it. You have Deshaun Watson, you got Joe Flacco, you had Kenny Pickett, and you had Dalen who got picked before you. He would never see a light of day. I'm just being honest. They're just gonna pretty much send him on the bench. If Cleveland Brown really wanted him, they would have got him for the first round pick. At least give this man an opportunity to show off, even during the preseason. But this man might not even see. He might not even hell of football in the regular season. I'm just being honest. Um, the Brown is too loaded. Now, when it comes to the aspect of the kid pranking him, um, to me, Hakeem and Jordan, I might not believe it. I think it was a publicity stunt. I don't know why. I think it was all set up. I don't. I know some people are taking it very seriously, but me, I don't because even Shedeur Sanders not even speaking about it. Because if it was really like to me, if it was really true, remember this is my opinion. If it was really true, therefore, he would have been saying out a statement like, "Hey, man, what they did was totally wrong. You know, we need to look into it." They're not saying anything about it. I'm just being. The kid came out and apologized to me.